ഇരിക്കുന്നു. 1856, Lincoln joined the Republican Party. This party favored rapid industrialization. Later, extension of the slavery, new settled western territories come to there. Later, new states, Lincoln as the Republican candidate, elected for 1860, 16th President of the USA. He served from 1861 to 1865 as a President of USA. Now we study the Civil War. Southern state, their interests were threatened when Lincoln, the Republican candidate, was elected President of the USA. Why Southern state threatened? Because Southern state given more favor or more preferred to the slave people for their work. Slaves more preferred there, but in Northern America, the slave system was most probably abolished. So Southern state people feared when Lincoln elected as a President of USA. Then Lincoln had taken his office. 7 of the southern states broken away from the Union and formed the Confederate States of America. Before the Lincoln had taken charge of the President of USA, 7 states from the South states, 7 states from the South America broken their union and formed the Confederate States of America. 7 states broken away from the South Union and they formed a new union that is called the Federate States of America. They chose Jefferson Davis as their president. These 7 states who made a new formation, Confederate States of America, they choose their own president, Jefferson Davis. Lincoln wanted to preserve the Union at any cost. He declared that he would even use military force to resist the separation of the southern state. Lincoln declared that if any state are broke away from the South Union, so to stop them, Lincoln will bring the military force. April 1861, the Confederate States attacked federal troops stationed at Fort Sumter in Charleston Harbor, South Carolina. Charleston Harbor in South Carolina. This marked the beginning of American Civil War when this Confederate state attacked the federal troops Fort Sumter in Charleston Harbor, South Carolina, attacked the Confederate. Then onwards, the American Civil War beginning. When Lincoln called for volunteers to suppress the rebellion, for more states joined the Confederate. When Lincoln called his volunteers to suppress this rebellion people, more people from the South state joined with the Confederate states. Battle of the Civil War, hard fought. The Federal Army was larger than the Confederate forces. Thanks to the large population of northern US, to the scientific knowledge brought by new settlers from Europe, helped the northern USA to improve communication system and weapons. As a result, the Federal Army was better equipped than the Confederate forces. Beginning में we studied many of the people settled in the North America. Britain came there, then England settled there, Ireland settled. So when these people who settled there, they had brought their scientific knowledge and technological knowledge along with them. With the help of this settled people there, North America developed a well scientific culture. According to that scientific culture, the communication system and a new weapon introduction developed or improved very well. These communication system and weapons helped the federal army better equipped than the Confederate forces, and the federal forces had a strong navy. The Federal Army and the Navy won several battles in the Mississippi region in 1862. Confederate Army, very able generals, offered stiff resistance and defeated the Federal forces in several other regions. January 1863, President Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation. Emancipation means give a release from the slave should be released, or give a abolition, finish the slavery. That is a Emancipation Proclamation, abolishing slavery in the area still in rebellion against the USA. 1863, Lincoln declared the Emancipation Proclamation, which sent South America में which are the state are continued with the slavery system to abolish that. The preservation of the Union had been major goal of federal forces, abolition of the slavery. 1863, Federal Army won an important victory at Gettysburg in Gettysburg. November that every year Lincoln dedicated the National Cemetery at Gettysburg to soldiers who had sacrificed their lives in defense of the Union. On this occasion, he delivered his famous Gettysburg address, in which he set forth his ideal of the democracy. Every year, the Lincoln addressed the cemetery at Gettysburg. Gettysburg is a place name. There is a cemetery where the soldiers are resting. In that place, every year he used to address a speech there. That Gettysburg speech was very famous, and in that speech he has given the idea of the democracy. Gettysburg address, Lincoln proclaimed in his address, the Civil War was a war of human liberty. The Gettysburg address, Lincoln declared that American Civil War was a war of emancipation, or a human liberty. He set before